Did you guys actually think I was going to go away and not give you a last look for 2019? I think not, my friend. I think not. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. It's the final day of 2019. Can you believe it? We are stepping into a new year tomorrow. Wow, this year has went by so quickly. I cannot believe it. Anyways, I'm so excited because tonight, or should I say today, I'll be doing a New Year's Eve look because you know it's the night of glitz and glam and all that fabulous wonderful stuff. So today I'll be doing a look for you guys just to give you an idea of what you could wear for parties if you're going to a party tonight, or even if you're going out for dinner. Why not? It's the last day of the year. So anyways, I'll be doing a look and it's going to involve some glitter, of course, because I love glitter at this time of the year. I'm not quite sure what look I'm going for as yet, but you guys will see by the end of the video. So yeah, I'm so excited, you guys. I'm going to be playing in glitter and I'm so excited. I'm like a kid in a candy store. So without further ado, let's go. Alright guys, so my foundation is done and so are my brows, just to save some time. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up my face. I'll be doing a bit of talk through here and there, but not too much because I don't want to make the video very long. But some of the parts I will be talking through. So yeah, I do hope you enjoyed this video and I do hope you found it easy to follow as well. So let's go ahead and start with the eyes. Let's go ahead and prime the eyes and then move on from there. All right, my lovely, so we're going to start off with a matte black and you can use any black you have. I'm using the Sample Beauty Paradigm Shift palette and I'm using the black in the palette, this one right here. And I'm going to go ahead and put that all over my mobile lid. If you want that intensity, you can use a black gel liner, but I can't find any of mine. So yeah. All right. Blend out the edges. You can use a brown of some sort to blend out the edges. I'm going to use this color right here. Guys, I know that I keep losing the black, but I'm going to keep building and building until I get that smoky effect that I want. I should have used a black base, but I didn't want it to be too dramatic. So I'm going to take my time and build up the black as I go along. Black can sometimes be a very difficult color to work with, so you always have to start off with a small amount and blend as you go along. But as I said, I should have used a base. Nevertheless, I'm going to make it work, so just keep on watching and you'll see. Okay guys, I'm going to be using the front cover glitter sealing gel and I'm just going to put some in the inner corner right here just to add my glitter. You can use lash glue as well. I'm going to add some powder to my face because I know this glitter is going to get really messy. So I'm testing out this new glitter I bought off of Amazon. It's called Neverland. Ooh, they're quite small. So it's a gold glitter. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. I'm pressing that down on the part where I place the glitter gel. Like that, and allow it to dry a bit. And then I'm going to do the other eye. Guys, please note that you can use any glitter color of your choice. I choose to use gold because I most likely will be wearing something with gold. I'm not quite sure as yet, but you can use any color glitter you fancy. You can use black, you can use silver, you can use pink, you can use any color you fancy. But for me, I'm using gold. But go ahead and use whatever you have, whatever color you have, and whatever color you'll be wearing tonight. Okay guys, so now that we've applied our glitter, I'm going to go ahead and blend out the edges whilst adding some more black just to intensify as well. I seem to have a bit more on this side. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and add some lashes and I'll be right back. Lashes are on. I'm going to go ahead and quickly highlight with this Fenty Beauty concealer in 385. Okay, so I've set my highlighted areas with the Sacha Buttercup powder. So now I'm going to go ahead and smudge out my bottom lash line area with the same black, because we want it to be very smoky. And add some mascara to your bottom lashes. Trophy Wife in my inner corners. It's a lovely glittery yellow. And it's going to accentuate that gold glitter as well. Look at that, boom. And bring it down a little more. And bring it in here as well. Yep. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some powder. We're going to be highlighting with some Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby. Just a little bit. There. On the nose. Oh, by the way, I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Mahogany to bronze my face a little bit. So now we're going to spray and then add the lips. Guys, I'm going to add some blush from the Carity Blush Balm. And I'm going to be adding the shade called Yas. And it's this one right here. Just a little bit. The tiniest amount. Because it's very pigmented. And for the lips today, of course, it's going to be red. So I'm using the NYX High Voltage Lipstick in, what's this one called? Hollywood.
Losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for some.
So guys, this is the final look. Of course, I do hope you like it. I've got my afro out today. It's giving me a lot of problems, but it's okay, we move. And of course, we've got the glitter eyes. It's all gold, darling. And then we've got the smoky eyes on the outer corner. And it's completed with some red lips. What do you guys think of the look? Is this something you'd wear to a New Year's Eve event? Let me know in the comment section down below, of course. Yes, yes. Strike a pose, strike a pose, strike a pose. Sorry, I've got lipstick on my teeth. Anyways, I want to thank you guys so much for your support for 2019. You guys have been amazing, and I just want to say have a very happy and safe start of 2020. I hope that you've got your dreams and your aspirations and your goals all written down, whether it's in your book or your phone or mentally. Make sure that you go ahead and smash those goals. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Have a very happy, safe, prosperous, beautiful, wonderful 2020. Thank you so much for your support. I love you guys, and I'll see you very, very soon. Might see you tomorrow. No, I'm kidding. But I'll see you very, very soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, of course. Let's make this channel a huge success for 2020 and beyond. If you agree, just go ahead and subscribe. Thumbs up this video if you like this look. And if you enjoy watching my videos. Also, let me know what videos you'd like to see from me in 2020. That's very, very helpful. And turn the notifications on so that you don't miss another video from Shaunz World. Leave me a lovely comment, of course. And what else? Follow me on all social media platforms. They're listed down below in the description box. And make sure that you check out my sites, shaunboutique.com and shaunsbeauty.com. We've got fabulous lashes, we've got fabulous clothes, we've got fabulous earrings and all that good stuff. So go ahead and check out my sites. And of course, thank you so much. I love you guys. Mwah. I'll see you in 2020. Happy New Year from me to you.